Properly maintaining equipment helps to provide clean air to remove excess humidity, gases, dust, bacteria, and viruses to provide a fresh environment for healthy pigs and employees. Remember, if it's difficult to take a deep breath while in the barn, the pigs are experiencing that too. You can walk out of the barn, the pigs cannot. This video will discuss important maintenance items that will ensure good quality air for the pigs to thrive. Proper ventilation begins with the fresh air entering the attic through soffits or gable end vents. These openings into the attic generally have some type of mesh or screen covering to keep out birds and rodents. However, if this screen gets covered in dust and debris, airflow into the attic will be restricted and the ventilation system will not function correctly, especially at higher ventilation rates. To help prevent this buildup, check and clean soffits and gable end vents at least once per year. Cleaning can be done with a broom, leaf blower, or compressed air. Fans dictate the volume of air that moves through the barn, so maintaining proper output and function is of utmost importance. All air in the barn is removed via fans, so they are a common area for dust and debris to accumulate. Dust accumulation on louvers can reduce fan output by up to 45%. Wall fan louvers should be brushed off with a brush or a broom weekly, especially those fans in operation during minimum or early stage ventilation. If a fan is properly cleaned and operating at maximum power, you should be able to look through the louvers, meaning the louvers will be suspended horizontally. Pit fans should be scraped out as needed and pressure washed with the barn as they tend to collect buildup more severely due to the location and route they move air. Other factors can contribute to reduction in fan output, but step one in keeping fans running efficiently is keeping them clean. Each facility has been designed for air to enter the barn in a controlled manner through the inlets or curtains. Anytime air enters the barn outside its original design, this is referred to as infiltration. Common infiltration areas are holes in curtains or walls, drooping curtains, gaps in doorways, leaky seals around inlets, open doorways, stuck or missing louvers, pit cleanouts, and any other places that air might enter the room that are not the originally intended entrance methods. Use tape or curtain patch to close holes in curtains. Tighten pulleys and ropes to reduce sagging curtains. PIC recommends an overlap of 2 to 3 inches. Caulk or spray foam can be used to fill gaps around inlets or framing. Keep all doors closed. Replace broken or missing louvers. Be sure pit clean areas are resealed properly after use. Simply leaving one door open negates approximately 30% of the inlets in a 1,200 head wean-to-finish room. When infiltration occurs, it is essential to fix the issue immediately to ensure proper ventilation is achieved. Equipment maintenance does not have to be difficult. When completed regularly, it can help to achieve ventilation goals of a target airspeed of 600 to 800 feet per minute and a relative humidity of 50 to 65%. Properly maintained equipment helps to provide fresh air to pigs and drive pig performance. For more information, contact your PIC representative, visit pic.com, or email our wean-to-finish team at wean-to-finish@genusplc.com.